Example 2 on word problem leading to fraction. A quarter of farmland is too rough to use. If 2/5 of the remainder is kept for poultry farms, and this leaves 22.5 acres for planting cash crops, what is the area of the farmland? Now, we start solving this question by representing the area of the farmland as X, using the letter from the English alphabet. Now, the information given to us in this question, we are going to express them in mathematical expression without changing the content of the information. Now, from the farmland, look at the question, you figure out 3 information there. In the farmland, you practice poultry farm. In that same farmland, there's planting of cash crop. In that same farmland, we have some portion that is too rough to use. So we have 3 informations there. So we'll take them one after another. Rough part of the farmland, look at it in the question. A quarter of farmland is too rough to use. So get that rough part that is from the farmland. A quarter, that is 1/4 of X. Remember, the farmland is represented as X. So we have 1/4 of X, which is X/4. We have some portion that is kept for poultry farm. That portion is the remainder. So how do we get remainder? If you have a farmland and we have some part that is rough, how do we get the one that is good? Remove the portion that is rough from the farmland. It will give you the portion that is good. That portion that is good is what we use for the poultry farm. So how do we get the remainder? The remainder is remove the portion that is rough from the farmland. The rough part is X/4 and the land is X. So remove X/4 from X. So when you simplify, it will give you 3S/4. From the question, 2/5 of the remainder is kept for poultry farm. So 2/5 of the remainder, what is the remainder? 3S/4. So 2/5 of it will give you 2/5 times 3S/4. Simplify, it will give you 3S/10. So 2/5 of the remainder is kept for poultry farm. So the portion that is used for poultry farm is 3S/10. Okay, like I mentioned in the question, the information in the question is the portion for cash crop, the portion for rough land, the portion for poultry farm. Everything is inside the farm. So equate the information, collect like term. So when you collect like term, you have X minus S/4 minus 3S/10. Simplify to give you 9S/20. Now, 22.5 acres for planting cash crop. So equate 22.5 equals to 9S/20. Is what we have in the question. So collect, cross multiply, you have 2 times 9S, 18S, 45 times 20, 900. Divide both sides by 18. So if you do that, our S will be 50 acres. So the area of the farmland is 50 acres.